Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to purchase Metaplanet stock on Interactive Brokers. I'll be walking you through this on the IBKR web platform. Before we start, you'll need an active Interactive Brokers account with trading permissions for Japanese stocks, and your account needs to be funded. You'll also need your JASDEC registration completed. This is required for trading Japanese stocks and takes 3 business days after submission. First, if you don't already have Tokyo Stock Exchange trading permissions enabled, click the Head and Shoulders icon in the upper right corner, then select Settings. You'll see the Settings page appear with Account Settings on the left and User Settings on the right. Under Account Settings on the left, locate the Trading section and select Trading Permissions. Request trading permissions for stocks and select Japan or Tokyo Stock Exchange as the market region. If you're already approved for stocks in another region, like the US, this permission is granted in real time. Next, if your account isn't funded yet, navigate to Transfer and Pay, then Transfer Funds, and select Deposit Funds, followed by your deposit method. Click Get Instructions to receive your banking instructions. You can fund in any of 23 plus currencies if you don't hold Japanese yen. IBKR will auto-convert to JPY at transaction time. Now let's find the stock. Navigate to the search bar in your watchlist menu, or main search area, type the ticker symbol 3350 for the Tokyo Stock Exchange listing. You'll see Metaplanet Inc. appear, listed on Tokyo Stock Exchange. Right-click on the stock in your search results and select Buy. The Rapid Order Entry panel will populate on the right-hand side of your screen. In the Order panel, enter the number of shares you want in the quantity field. Under Order Type, select Market for immediate execution at the current price, or Limit if you want to set a maximum price. For time and force, choose Day if you want the order to expire at the end of the trading day, or GDC for good till cancelled. If you selected Limit, enter your maximum buy price in Japanese yen in the Limit Price field. Review all your order details, then click Submit Buy Order at the bottom of the panel. A confirmation dialog may appear. Confirm if it does. To verify your order went through, check the order table at the bottom of your screen and the portfolio panel. The order table updates in real time as orders are sent and filled. You'll also receive an email confirmation when the order executes. Keep in mind, Japanese stock trading on IBKR isn't free. You'll pay 0.08% of the trade value with a JPY 80 minimum, plus exchange access fees of JPY 2.70 per order. Also, market orders guarantee a fill, but not the price, so in volatile conditions, your execution price might differ slightly. That's it. You should now see your Metaplanet shares in your portfolio.